So see, it's still in progress.
If you want to poop, you have to poop it inside this. I can show you. We have to remove this lid.
This is called as main hack. It is all built up of wood, bamboos.
This is the washing utensil. We have to wash utensil.
All the way from Iran, I came here. This is my home.
Yeah.
I'm homeless, but I found a home here. When I first came here, I walked in the door. I thought, wow, this is so nice.
Yeah.
Found home after 45 years of being away from home. I found it here.
Like everybody knows about scuba diving, right? And then everybody would have seen a mermaid like swimming in the water or something. Like, but they don't have, the mermaids don't have a tank. Have you seen any mermaids? Anything in a picture or something? They don't have the tank or something. How do they breathe? Like, what do they do? They're not the actual mermaid. They are still humans, right? So how do they do it?
We are traveling to Pondicherry by bus, but right now we are in the car on the way to the bus stand. So our bus is at 10:30 p.m.
Hello everyone. So bus came by 4:30 itself to Pondicherry, and actually my sister is coming from Kerala to Pondicherry by train. So she will arrive like 5:30 or 6:30, I guess. What I did is like I took a drop from other passenger to the railway station. So I am in the railway station waiting hall, ladies waiting hall. So there I will just get a fresh up. So we can even take a bath also here. So after that, till we will wait for my sister also. So we can continue our journey with my sister.
Finally, my sister is here. See, her son, and we are waiting for them actually. And she came here. Let's plan for how to go to Sagana Forest now. So yeah. Now we are going to Martandi toll gate. We have to get out. So even we got some other friends. They are also heading to Sagana Forest. Say hi, hi. Hi. Yeah. So we got already friends from the bus itself, right? It's amazing, right?
From the toll gate to Sadhana Forest, buses were arranged by the Sadhana Forest itself. So we are already now in one of those buses heading towards Sadhana Forest. After arriving at Sadhana Forest, our registration will be checked before we are allowed inside. They will give us a band to wear, and only those with this band are permitted to enter. Okay, if you lost the band again, there will be rechecking, everything will be there. So Shaila is here to tell us how to use bathrooms and all. So first entrance is this one only. They are going to show us the bathroom thing.
Very important. How to use the toilets. So we'll start from here. So firstly, the toilets here, we call them dry compost toilets. They are a little different from the way the Indian toilets or the Western toilets work. Firstly, why? Because this is a sustainable community, and in nature there is nothing called as waste. So why only in humans case we call it waste? So therefore, this is not a waste. This is a treasure, and today I'll show you how we do it.
So there is a two parts here. As you can see, this is one part and another part. So what these people will tell is, if you want to pee, you can go there, you can pee there. But if you want to poop, you have to poop it inside this. I can show you. We have to remove this lid. Okay. So you have to poop here. You should not poop here. Okay. Only you have to use this for pee, and you have to use this for poop. I guess you understood. After that, you have to put some sawdust. Oh, so we have to put this sawdust. This is the sawdust they have kept here. So we have to take 2 scoops. See if this is one, right? And we have to pour here. After once you poop, you have to just pour inside this like this way. Okay, and 2 scoop of that you have to pour and just place it back this lid. Close the lid. That's it. So there is one thing, this can you see, this is a different one, because sometimes what happens when you poop, that times sometimes the pee also will come. So you have to hold the pee with this. You should not drop the pee inside this. That is the little weird thing you might feel, but once you get used to it, then it is normal only. So yeah, as I said, we should not put any water there. That's why we can collect the pee here. Okay, if you, when you are doing the poop, that time, if you feel like you want to pee, then you can use this one, and then you can just pour the pee inside this. If you want to wash the bum also, then you have to use the water here. So you can use this water, this is the water, and you can wash it here, not there, because if you should not mix water to this, so it is very difficult to decompose. So they are not going to use the water. We should not drop the water here. So after that, like if something happened outside spill or something, what you can do is just there is a vinegar. Yeah, see, there is a vinegar. You can just spray the vinegar outside if anything fallen down. So that's it. Here, I think you understood everything. So if you don't understand, even they have put up the chart here. You can see this.
After using the toilet, we go to wash our hands here. From, I mean, we just added a little element to make sure we are using as much water as we need, not more than that. So we always put little water, and there's a hole from which you will get the water. This is a biodegradable soap. We do not want you to use any of your soap. Please use this one anywhere, okay? And this is how it works. And after that, you are ready to go for your camping area. So let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
After that, we arrived at the tenting area. So this is the tenting area, and we are also setting up our tent. We had two tents, so we are now pinched both of them.
What did you do when?
So see, it's still in progress. We got new tent. Like, see how it has only one string. Many people has two rod kind of a thing. It has only one. Just now we finished with the tent and we are heading for the breakfast. I think breakfast should be there. For breakfast, they served fruits and ragi malt. But I choose only fruits to have.
ನಾನು ಬರೇ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
So she also got fruits.
So now we just came inside the hut, main hut. This is called as main hut. It is all built up of wood, bamboos. You can see how beautiful it is. There is a hut also there upstairs, and my sister and I think oh God, he is the one guy we met in the bus early, right? So those people, they are also having breakfast. And see, we are having breakfast here. Okay, and hut is so beautiful.
So whatever waste we have to put here. Only orange peel we should not put here, I guess, for the cows. And this is for compost. Okay, you can see here cows. Cows don't. We should not use fruit seeds, citric fruits. Soil, we can have everything. And after that, we have to come here. This is the washing utensil. We have to wash utensil. First, there is 3 buckets. Can you see here? And as you can see here, first bucket you have to dip and wash. You can use the scrub also. And then you have to shift to the second and the third one. Then there is a bucket here. This is a vinegar water. We have to just place it here. That's it. Here beside as a kitchen area, I will take you to the kitchen later.
So, but still you can see it how people are doing already for the lunch. They are preparing it. So many, and you can see how they are firing. Eating dal. Inside also, so many volunteers are there cutting, chopping, and everything. See here, there is a snack stall here. You can have banana will be there here all the time. You can have banana anytime. What is this laddus made of?
They're made with ragi flour, jaggery, and peanut butter.
Oh, 3 ingredients.
3 ingredients. Bye.
No flavoring like cardamom powder or something. No, only
No,
this 3.
Just 3 ingredients. Yeah.
Wow,
4.
nice. 4. How come 4?
Love.
Love.
Yeah, see, added one more ingredient, love. What's your name?
My name is Kayvan.
Where are you from?
Iran.
Iran. Wow, nice. So you came for the festival?
All the way from Iran, I came here.
Only for festival or?
No. In between, for like 30, 40 years, I was somewhere else.
Oh,
And then I
okay.
came here.
So this is the first time or every time you come here for
I
the
was
festival?
here. I was here last year also.
Last year also. So you liked it?
Oh yeah, I love this place. I also volunteered for 3 months here,
Oh, you did that volunteer thing also?
2
Wow.
years ago.
Wow.
This is my home.
Yeah.
I'm homeless, but I found a home here. When I first came here, I walked in the door. I thought, wow, this
Wow.
is so nice.
Yeah.
Found home after 45 years of being away from home. I found it here.
Wow.
Amazing
Nice.
place.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You just meet cool people like yourself. here.
Yeah.
It's really
Yeah.
nice. Yeah.
Actually,
I love the sense of community here. It's very strong. Yeah, it's just a great place.
Yeah. When you said love, then I can understand like how you find this love here, right? How you found it. That's a
When I
good thing.
came here, I was sick, heat exhaustion. I came from Nepal. I was just really just like, oh God, I'm gonna die. I had never had heat exhaustion. Even in that state, I just fell in love with this place and the people. That's when it hit me. Oh, this is home.
Yeah.
I can relax,
Yeah.
rest here.
Yes. Wow. Nice. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
My mom attending the speed friending workshop. So you can see here where participants got to know each other, like they will be having introduction and fun things all together like that. Meanwhile, I am attending another session on free diving, so where they explained how to hold our breath underwater and like for an extended time also.
So the basic of all this free diving is, or the basic of this apnea or holding your breath is like, you train your mind that it is not the lack of oxygen. It is your is that you want to exhale the carbon dioxide which is building up. So it's not the oxygen. So this is what you have to train your mind. That is how what the free divers and people who are holding it are doing it, just by training their mind to accept that it is not the lack of oxygen in our body. Our body is comfortable, just that the carbon dioxide which is building up, which makes it the urge to release the carbon dioxide. So something a little more deeper into this, something called free diving. Like everybody knows about scuba diving, right? And then everybody would have seen a mermaid like swimming in the water or something. Like, but the mermaids don't have a tank. Have you seen any mermaids? Anything in a picture or something? They don't have the tank or something. How do they breathe? Like, what do they do? They're not the actual mermaids. They are still humans, right? So how do they do it? Just by holding their breath. Same thing. Like, so how long? Like for you, like what is your perception? How long can a human can hold breath? Like, you have any numbers in mind or something? Like.
And they even demonstrated that when we go underwater, how our heartbeat slow downs automatically. Those things, facts on other things also they explained very well.
69. 60.
This is now lunch hour. So you can see here they are serving lunch. Show me. Okay.
This is our dinner.
Yes. Ah. You know with whom we are having lunch? You can see it's a Heatek Pani Puri Wali. Can you see? You're from Haryana, right? Uttar Pradesh. Yeah, she's from Uttar Pradesh. She came for here for especially for the festival, right? Nice. And I'm very happy to meet her. Okay.
While we are having lunch, people were singing and dancing in main hut. So it was very nice experience. And after lunch, I attended Dr. Achyuta's workshop where he was talking about healthy eating.
Because we have like so many people here, and the catch is before you say your name, you need to say the name of a fruit or a vegetable or some food that you can eat which starts with the same first letter as your name. Okay, for example, hi, I'm Amla Achyutan. Okay, and I'm here to share my journey of healthy eating, and hope that it's useful for many of you here. Yeah, would you like to start? Go around.
Just food and my name.
Yeah, like I'm Amla Achyutan.
Okay, I'm Pear Pratiksha.
Hi, Pear Pratiksha.
Hi, Amla Sugar.
After that, I interviewed Tapsi from Tech Pani Puri Wali. So BTech Pani Puri Wali, she's very famous in North Side. I will be uploading this interview in the next few weeks. So stay tuned as she shares how she come up with an idea of making these healthy pani puri and opening stalls across India. In Tea Hut, there is a food session going on, and here you can see Sharon's team is showing us how to make a kesar peda with wholesome, means whole food plant based and vegan, obviously.
Milk add with lemon juice and strain and just press for some time. But for kesar peda, no need of how he added to the scrambled tofu. Same way you can make it, right? So now what I am going to do, I am going to crush this tofu. And there was a dance session by Radhika, so it was beautiful. And that's it for the day one. After that, we had dinner, followed by our DJ music and dance party. It was lot of fun, It's like you had to enjoy by experiencing it. This is the end of the day one. So day 2 and 3 will be covered in the next video. There are so many exciting moments on day 2 and day 3, like session by Harshan Sabas from Satvik Movement, and and I got a chance to meet Amy also. She's a film actress and vegan activist too. We also celebrated my mom's and Dr. Nandita Shah's birthday also, It was so much of fun. Stay tuned for the next videos, and until then, thank you, namaste. See you in the next video. Bye. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Fingers are ready with happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
This is the very special thing. If you ask whoever had been to Sadhana Forest, in 10 in 5 people will say like they like mudpool. So that beautiful it is. If you come to Sadhana Forest, you